Czech Republic. So he needed to get
All this approvals.
permission from the son.
That is interesting. Otherwise, you cannot.
Ministry of Finance.
Which one? This one.
This is hotel, that one. See, this is where you know that you're in the old town because everything is very narrow.
Yeah.
And they are not like all the trams and the traffic is really. At some point, they will cut out. They will take all the cars out.
Really?
Yeah, that's the plan for the future.
Like a Barcelona.
Kind of, yeah. In some places, I don't know how it's in Barcelona now, but yeah.
Ministry of Finance.
Ministers of Finance.
What flag is that?
That flag?
Yeah.
I think it's an Israeli
Huh?
flag. I think it's an Israeli flag.
Really? Oh yeah, Israeli flag. Yes.
I noticed that. You know, it's okay. We have strategic partners, strategic allies, and so on. But when you're sticking your head into somebody's ass, that's
Yeah.
that's what we're doing a little bit.
How about the drug addicts? Crime.
What is it?
Crime here. Crime rates.
Hmm?
Crime rates. Crime percentage.
Crime.
Yeah.
Very low.
Low? Compared to German? German is a bit high.
I think it's even lower than in Germany, honestly.
No, German is a bit higher actually.
Yeah. I mean, I think it got higher with all the migrants, you know, with the former chancellor, medical, and she opened the borders and they let's take all the Syrians, all the Afghans. Like, there's nothing against them. I spent my time in the Middle East. A lot of friends from there, but of course it's changing the demographics of the country, and not everybody has the same. You know, they don't have. All of them, they don't have the skills to work. They don't know the language, and of course Germans are fucking homophobic, xenophobic, just like Czechs, like we are.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, like, if you talk to regular Czech, they're very xenophobic.
Mm.
You don't like foreigners.
They don't even talk
I like
English.
traveling. I like
They don't even talk in English. Yeah.
But if you think that all chicks are like me, no, forget it.
Yeah.
There's another view. He had classrooms in this building as well.
Okay. What is that?
He had classrooms over there. But then it won't. Let's go. Let's go faster. This is going to bring us. That's it.
Baptist as well, right?
This is Saint Nicholas Church. This is like more baroque, different style. This is the House of Parliament.
Just the one?
This one, all the
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Are they still operating it? Parliament?
It's the entrance is from here, but the main one is from the other side. I mean, it's Friday afternoon, so it's
Yeah.
closed now, but we have it here. Parliament, Czech Republic.
In Qatar, we cannot even go close by.
Is it?
We will be shot to death in Qatar if we go get this much closer.
So here, for example, this is the faculty of mathematics here. And so inside a history building. So it's really nice. Like as a student, they're really privileged because these some of the faculties are really like inside the city.
Ah, yeah, interesting.
So here.
Why they are having it the net?
This because
For the bad?
no, it's because it's all very old, and sometimes they do restoration works.
Oh, okay.
But sometimes, something might fall off. And of course, you don't want a 50-kilo stone.
And falling
Falling
in
on-
Dalai Lama head.
We
What is doing here?
to Czech Republic is very strong supportive.
Buddhism?
This is something that's really changing now. Because before we had the first president of Czech Republic after the revolution, after the communism ended, was a guy called Václav Havel. So this guy was very like liberal, and he was a poet. He was like a how do you call that? A leftist intellectual.
Okay.
It's one of the old beer clubs.
Okay. He was a pro Buddhism.
And he was supporting that. So this is the tradition. Like we were supporting all of the free world. Like Tibet.
Nepal.
Why?
British building. British flag.
British. Because this is British embassy.
Ah.
It's the Churchill. Almost there. Survive 10 more minutes. So you get some physical activity today.
Yeah.
Walk that stairs.
Anyway, the last 7 days I'm walking almost 10 kilometers.
See? Good thing about traveling. You get to walk a lot.
What is that? You need chocolate beer?
Serious bullshit.
Pretty slow Prague. I can't see any teddies there.
Teddy bears.
What is that?
This is already what is? This is for this is when you're rolling the dough.
Again, the Buddhist culture.
Like this. It's something that you will find in every Czech kitchen. All this wall is already like the wall of the
Castle. Very tall, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Why not? So the castle is also like a complex of more buildings and palaces.
Okay.
With the cathedral, which is in the center of the patio.
Who's managing it now? Government?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what authority exactly, but the seat of Czech president is there. So I think part of it belongs to the presidency or whoever is running the office. And there is, of course, part of the armed forces. So it's like a, like a Republican guard.
Okay.
Guarding the president and his office. Yeah, so we actually passed soldiers like at the gate.
Okay. No tourist will walk all the way there.
The thing is that we're almost where we need to go.
Look at this.
One of the reasons I'm taking you to the place I'm taking you is because the views from there
Really?
fucking amazing. They have good food, good beer, and also the views.
Very good.
This hill, it's called Petsin Hill. This is like a small tower.
What's a cell phone tower?
It's like an observation tower.
Okay.
It dates back to the 19th century. And this hill is famous for like, so you have the St. Valentine's Day, right?
Yeah.
Lover's Day.
Yeah.
In Czech culture, it's the 1st of May, which is the day when Czechs
That's a Labour's Day,
celebrating the love.
Really?
Yeah.
So money is low for you guys.
On the 1st of May, we'll find tons of Czechs going there and spending time with their loved ones. Became part of it.
Whole Prague is here.
Yeah, there's a Czech